Hey, this is Damon Nelson with VidPenguin, and I'm doing a review on a product called Connect Retarget. It's by Wilco DeKrig. That's how you pronounce his name. Let's see here.
Connect Retarget.
Yeah, DeKrig or DeKrig. I've met him several times, and I can never figure out how to pronounce the last name. Anyway, Wilco makes some great Facebook products. I use the UpViral for Facebook contests, and I use Connectio and Connect Audience to do lead gen ads and capture the leads straight into my autoresponders. So anyway, what he's coming out with, if you're doing anything with Facebook, you've heard of retargeting pixels. And the problem with retargeting pixels right now is Facebook will give the same credit to one person coming in and only looking at your site for 5 seconds as somebody that drills all the way down through pages and looks at videos and they look at your sales page. Those are two completely different customers. And Wilco has solved that problem by putting a power pixel inside of these web pages based on your Facebook pixel. And you can define custom audiences down to, were they on the page for 30 seconds or were they on the page for 2 minutes? Did they click on something? Did they scroll down the page down to the bottom? Those customers are more valuable, and those are the ones you want to retarget. Somebody accidentally clicking on your link, or they clicked on it and then backed out, you don't want to even consider those as quality retargeting. If you're going to spend your money, spend it on the ones that have shown an interest, and they show an interest just by watching the video, scrolling down the page, making some clicks, going to a page. They may even show enough interest to buy on that first time. But what retargeting is for is so that you can basically follow them around Facebook and drop different ads in there. And the cost to go to a retargeting custom audience is about 80%, sometimes it's about 90% cheaper than just a regular audience that you choose out of Facebook. So that's really important. But the second thing that's important on retargeting, when you retarget, you increase exponentially the chance of somebody buying from your product because it looks like they're seeing different ads, they're seeing a right-hand column ad, they're seeing it in the timeline, they may even see it on mobile pages. And so what Wilco, he has the power pixel, is what they're calling it. And I'm going to scroll down here just so you can kind of see what it does. You can put all these different filters in there. Like they scrolled down the page at least 50%. And they visited the site more than 3 times. So it's kind of the way you do it. And then once you create this, then you create a custom audience and you can define it. But the cool thing is they have some templates already made, so you can define your audience just by the templates. You don't even have to worry about the filtering process. So let's go over the review real quick. The front-end software, Wilco's products are very well done. He seldom ever are there any really bugs, and he's not updating it like some of our friends are updating, 2-3 times a week. He has very solid platforms, and they run straight into Facebook. So I give it about a 93%. There is a little bit of a learning curve at times, and I'm sure there'll be some learning curve on this. That's why I only give it about a 94%. If you're familiar with Facebook and retargeting pixels and how to install them, this will be very easy to use. Easy to apply the training. Wilco has some of the best strategy training guides and kind of hints on what to place in your Facebook ads. He does both video ads and image ads, and he also does carousel ads. So there's some interesting ways that he's doing ads. And using Connect Retarget with Connectio and with UpViral, the whole package together, you've got some pretty powerful tools right at your fingertips. Do you need UpViral? No, you don't need it to do this. You don't need Connectio to do this. This is it's a standalone product to do retargeting. but retarget the people that make a difference, that are going to be future buyers from you. So that's the whole value in this retargeting program. So value of his upsells, if you're going to go through the one-time offer, I think his next upsell is Connectio and Connect Audience. Those are for lead gen ads, and what it does is if you set up a lead gen ad, it automatically puts everything into your autoresponder, and then with Connect Audience, allows you to do exclusion lists from people that buy, and they would be segregated out. So a little bit higher level training needed on those two tools, but here's the great thing is the VidPenguin bonuses. What I'm going to do for you is if you buy through my link, I've got a product coming out middle of August. I think we're scheduled for August 11th. It's called Facebook Takeoff Strategies. I'm going to be using these tools, Connectio, Connect Retarget, and UpViral to do Facebook contests, to do quizzes, do surveys. I'm going to be using MenSap. So there's going to be several different strategies. In fact, I don't have this queued up and ready, but we have a outline map that's going to go inside of Facebook takeoff strategies. And I'm going to be teaching these exact strategies step by step how to do it. My goal at the end of the day is that you spend as little as $100 a day and turn it into $300 back to you. That's my goal. I'm going to teach you how to do the ads, make winning ads, and how to find the right ads to do. And I've got some other software I'm testing it actually tells you which image, which text, which one is the winner, and it does all these variations. And I'm going to show that to you inside of the Facebook takeoff strategies. The goal here, guys, is to make you money, not to just sell you crap that everybody else has been selling. You know, I think there's 3 different animation tools, how to animate everything in front and behind your video, but nobody's telling you how to make money with it. So that's what I'm hoping to do on this Facebook takeoff strategies. That's why it's launching in August. I know the strategies and they're working for me, but I want to go out and test them on different markets. I want to do some e-com products. I want to do some local brick and mortar products. So I want to be able to give you a different variety of skills that you can take money, put it into advertising, create some great ads, and turn around and get a 2 to 3 times at least on what you invest in advertising. And to scale up, you just put more money in there. And the benefit of all this is you're going to also build an email list. And from that email list, you'll be able to sell them other things or turn them into other products in membership courses. So I'm very excited. You're going to get this course absolutely free. Now, when you log into it and you register for it, this is going to be sold for about $297 when we go to launch. We may have like a PDF training guidebook that's, you know, my front end product, but this training course is going to teach you how to make money with Facebook. And that just period. It's not a shiny object. It's a strategy. You got to roll up your sleeves. You got to take some action with it. Now, here's what you get with this course with Connect Retarget. I've got 3 other I got 4 video training courses as bonuses in here already. So when you buy Connect Retarget, you'll get this bonus page. You'll go down to the register link. And once you register, you're going to have these bonuses sitting inside for you. And then also you can download, there's going to be a link on the bonus page where you can download these directly. But I've loaded all these videos. I've gone through the course, this retargeting convert. This is a great course. And it's a bonus inside of your Facebook takeoff. You're also going to get the Facebook Powerhouse. This is a strategy guide. I think it's 32 or 33 pages. Very to the point information. In fact, this is part of Ad Labs, but this is some of the stuff that you're going to be getting inside of the Facebook Powerhouse. This has a value of about $77. They put that on there. I don't know. I don't think that's true. But Facebook Mastermind Continuity. This is how to create recurring revenue using Facebook, using Twitter, using Tumblr. Now, I'm not going to get into Twitter and Tumblr. My goal is Facebook only, and I'm going to show you the tools inside the Takeoff that I'm using, and I'm going to show you step by step how I do it. The email list maximizer. This is how to build a relationship with your list, and it's got some swap files in there that you can actually put into your autoresponder, and how to talk to your audience. In addition to selling, you need to have some fun, communicate with them, share information. The Smart Funnel Blueprint. This is I think it's actually 9 videos, how to set up a smart sales funnel. And it includes a video sales funnel, also just a regular sales letter funnel. How to do your upsells, how to do your bumps. Also, you're going to get a Uber opt-in, and this is a 2-step email opt-in for WordPress. This is a WordPress plugin. You're going to really like this. I use lead pages, I use Optimize Press, and I'm using Origin Builder that already have this built in. But if you have just a standalone WordPress, this is a great way to capture leads. And then finally, this is the last bonus. This is a scarcity plugin. This is a clock, a timer that's showing scarcity, and once the timer gets to a certain clocks down to 0, it will redirect to another page. So you can actually put scarcity on pages. And this is a cool little plugin. I have another product I use that's very similar to it, and it seems to work. It helps on conversions. So anyway, what you do is just check out here. Now, if you go here today, and today is Wednesday the 6th, right now, if you click on it, you're going into click here for instant access, and you're going to see a case study, and you're also going to see 3 pre-launch videos. Fine, go ahead and do that. In fact, if you try to exit, that's what you're going to see too. But I'm going to be buying a product myself here on July 7th at 10 a.m. Eastern time. And if you're early bird, I think the first 2 hours he's got some coupon codes, and I'll pass them through the email to you. I'll also put them on this page. But I really want you to check this out. If you're into Facebook marketing, and the reason I'm going into Facebook marketing a lot from video, it's a natural progression. I do a lot of video SEO and a lot of video ranking, but I want to be able to ramp up my game. And the way I've been doing it is through Facebook, and I want to show you all how to do it too. So this is Damon Nelson with VidPenguin, and check out Connect Retarget preview and with the link below.